welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deblina and today I'm going to share with you guys my AM to PM routine. Now I shared this story on the Instagram where more than 60% of you guys wanted me to do my AM to PM skincare routine, and here it is. So what is basically AM to PM skincare routine? So basically AM routine is the one जो आप मॉर्निंग टाइम में करेंगे. The PM routine is the one which you are gonna do at your night time skincare routine. Now there are some things and some steps which you should follow while you're doing it in the morning time and while you're doing it for your evening time. One more thing, I'm gonna give you guys plenty of options out of all the products that I've used. Right from affordable to expensive, so whatever suits your budget, because I value your money and you should just get the best out of what you are investing in. And skincare products for me personally are like an investment. I will not want you guys to waste your money into something which you will not find relatable or something. Also a disclaimer, I am not any skincare specialist or a dermatologist. All these products that I'm going to recommend today during the step explanation are my personal usage experience, and if you are of my skin type, then these are the products you should go for. So without any much further ado, let's just get started. So the one common step that goes for both your AM to PM skincare is cleanser. So you can choose any cleanser, but today I'm going to use this daily cleanser by Dr. Shea. Now I have a lot of options for you guys because these are plenty of face wash, cleanser, things like that for your face. So I'm firstly going to recommend you the Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser, this one. The next one that I'm going to recommend you, and I have used it ever since I was probably 16 or even younger, and that is this Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash. I think I still cannot get over this. It has been sitting in my vanity forever and I don't even know how many times I've purchased this, because in a year I always end up purchasing it twice or thrice, so that is how much I use this. Okay, so the next that I want to show is zero chemical, at least that is what they claim. That is by Arata. I've used them a lot. That is the reason they look a bit dirty and stuff. Okay, the next cleanser that I also swear by and love is this oil-free acne wash. This is again by Neutrogena. I have probably mentioned about this on my channel on some of my monthly favorite or something, and this is literally the second bottle after that, and that is also coming to an end. You guys can already see. So this is also a great face wash if you want to go for. Okay, now something that I have heard a lot about, but I haven't personally used much, but I have heard they are good, so I just went ahead and I bought it. This is No Waste Wants It Again. So this is again the face wash by Wow, and they say it is vitamin C infused. Now I do not know about the ingredient list, so I cannot vouch for it, but a lot of my friends have vouched for this product and they say it's good, so maybe this is a good face wash too. Okay, so the next is a little luxurious looking face wash, and this is something that you might like, might not like. I cannot say if you were gonna love it or not. So this is this Glow Iridescent Brightening Foam Cleanser infused with rosehip oil vitamin exhaler. This is how the bottle looks like. It is very, very luxurious. Now by this bottle I can tell you that how much it is amazing, but it's really good. It's a nice foaming face wash. Like, I've used it multiple times, but I just love this bottle a lot, and I don't want to get done with it anytime sooner, so I use it very, what do you say, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके I use it, क्योंकि होता है ना वो थोड़ी expensive चीज़ें होती है and you think that you're gonna use it थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, so I use it a bit, so that is what it is. Now how can I not talk about this Dr. Shade's basic brightening cleanser? I got hands on this particular cleanser for the first time around last year, I think mid-September, August, something like that, and I love them ever since then. This is amazing, and obviously we all love Dr. Shade's, so that is that. Okay, so let's go with the next step. for the nighttime skincare routine. Now we're gonna write it here, okay? It's gonna be daytime, this is gonna be nighttime. So for daytime and nighttime, here both of the places it's gonna be cleanser first. Now for the second step for daytime is toner, and the second step for nighttime is scrub. So you should scrub twice or thrice in the week. So you can use something like this. The one which I'm gonna use is by Klairs. I know this can be a little expensive for a lot of you, so you can go with, I think, this M Caffeine face scrub, which is also very good. Okay, now in case if you don't want to go with two separate products and want to just buy one product which is good for face wash and scrub both, then I'm gonna go with this Kaya brightening bead. This is a very good product. It does both the job. It does your face cleansing and the face scrub part both, so it's like best of both worlds by Kaya. Okay, so for the next step I'm gonna go with the nighttime because I want to complete the nighttime equivalent to the toner which is in the daytime as the second step. So the third step is the face mask, which you should do at least once a week. You can do twice. Once a week is what I'm gonna recommend. You can use any sort of face pack, but today I'm gonna use the one from the Plum. It's the green tea cleansing face mask. It's lovely. I love it and I have used a lot out of this. Okay, so my options for the face mask is by M Caffeine coffee face mask. This is also good. Okay, so my next option is gonna be from the Klairs, and this can be used as a face mask or it can be also used as a creme. It's vitamin E enriched and really good for your skin. Okay, let's go with the next step, that is toner. Now this is the second step for your daytime skincare and this is your fourth step for your nighttime skincare if you have done the face scrub and the face pack in that day. If not, then the toner stands the second step for both of them. So for today I'm going to go for the toner from Dr. Sheth's. This is the Gulab and Glycolic toner. Now I really love this toner very much because it comes in this pump format which is really good. You can literally, just spritz it up like this and you don't have to use any sort of a cotton or something, so you're not wasting that way. But I have a very wide range of toner for you guys, so I think I must have already spoken a lot about the niacinamide and glycolic acid toners from the Dermaco. Okay, so next I've already used a lot of the Beautyco's Tea Tree toner. And lastly, I'm going to talk about the one from the Face Shop. It's one of my favorite brands and I've been using this bottle since I think more than a year now. So I still have the bottle. I haven't got done with it because I keep trying new and new products. So this isn't over. But this is how this one from Face Shop looks like. I'm not sure if this exact product is available in the market or would be there in the shelves now as well. But I really love this because it came like this, so you basically would put your cotton pad or something and you would just spritz like this and it would just come into the pad and then you can just pat and apply. I think it's a very beautiful technique. I mean, I love it. Now the next step for the daytime skincare is to go for any sort of a serum that you want to go for. The one which I have been using for a very long time is the one from Klairs Rich Moist Smoothing Serum. And I've pretty much used up this already a lot. I used to apply this a lot along with some vitamin C serum. So I used to apply a lot of this one, but now as you can see that it has gone a bit tarnished. So like the color has changed now. I don't know if it has lost its efficacy, but I've heard a lot of the skincare gurus saying that if your Klairs vitamin C loses the color or gets tarnished or something like that, then you should just stop using it. So like ever since then I haven't touched it again, but I genuinely want to get over with this product because it was such an expensive product that I genuinely want to get used up. So I used to use this Klairs vitamin C drops along with the smoothing serum on my face and it was working great. Now I do have some options for vitamin C for you guys. So I have already shown this on my platform and I already have a video existing talking about the vitamin C by Zupeng. I'll just try to link that in my I'll just try to link it somewhere on the screen so you will see that eye, and just tap on the eye. You will get it about Zuping's vitamin C. The next one, which is amazing again, is by O3. This is also amazing because it's vitamin C infused with ferulic. It's really great. And after this, I'm gonna talk about the one from the Good Dal. I didn't get to use it a lot, but I've only used this twice. But it's a good vitamin C because I've heard much good reviews about it. Now, okay, so the next vitamin C is then by the Green Berry. This is vitamin C infused with hyaluronic acid. So the concentration is managed in a way that it works in your skin really well. Okay, now that we are done with the serum part, so this was for the daytime, okay? Are we gonna keep the track for it? I will try to, mention everything at last so that you just know what is what. Okay, so the next step, which is common for both AM and PM, is the one that is your eye treatment. So you can use any sort of eye treatment, but the one which I have used is by Pixi. This is the under eye cream. Now, this is not an absolute necessity, but in case if you are in your late 20s or early 30s, then I would say please start inculcating some sort of an eye moisturizing cream or under eye gel or anything like that, because eventually it is gonna be a blessing to you and it will just help you with fine lines and everything from a very good time period. And I'm sorry, I do not have much options with the under eye cream because I personally haven't used this much and I haven't started inculcating in my skincare. However, sometimes when I'm doing this whole skincare, I try to inculcate the under eye cream into my skincare. So this is the only one which I've used, but I will try to come up with more options eventually for you. So the next step is gonna be the acne spot treatment or any sort of your skin treatment for both AM and PM. So you're gonna do the spot treatment or whatever you are going through. So in case if you're going through acne situation, you will see if you should use some benzoyl or something like that. You would do the acne treatment and let it be. After that, in daytime, we're gonna go with a sunscreen. Always make sure if at all you're using the vitamin C serum, you're going with some sort of a sunscreen to protect it with. So now the sunscreen that I love is by Neutrogena. This is the Ultra Shea. It has SPF 50 and anything which is more than 30 SPF is amazing. And this has SPF 50, so you know why I love this. But I also have some amazing options for your sunscreen as well. One is the Lakme one. I love it. They are amazing. The second one is this Amasveda. This is to die for. I use this at times on my neck, on my hands and stuff like that before I step out, but now obviously because of lockdown we are not stepping out, so that's a different story. It is a night time, so you want to use then some sort of a facial oil or something like that. And I personally am not using much of a facial oil now, but I used to use some facial oils from Nykaa Skin before. So they are nice facial oils and you can use them if you're going for this in-depth process at night time. And that it is up to you if you want to skip the process or you want to do it or you want to inculcate that process into your skincare regime. Now let's move on to some sort of a moisturizer, and now I have a lot of options. Now this is common for both the places. So firstly, at night time, in case if you're going for something for your face, make it a point that you can decide as to for what thing you want to go for at night. For night time, if you want to go for your facial something, always make sure that you know what you're going for. So either you can go for some sort of nightly moisturizer like this. This is by Paula's Choice, and I know this is very expensive, but again, if this is a very good investment, so in case if you would be wanting to go for it, you can go for it. I will try to link these down below. So if you are not going for the night cream, then you can definitely go for something like this. So this is the Innisfree Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampoule. Now I am testing this product and now I'm using this product, and this is beautiful on its own, and yeah, like that is that. Or you can go for something like a sleeping mask. So you can choose if you want to go for something like a cream based formula, or you want to go for something like a gel based sleeping mask, or you want to go for a serum like the one I showed here. So you can choose one of them, or what you can do is you can use things alternatively for best results. I use alternatively, so at times I'm using the sleeping mask as well. So the sleeping mask that I am gonna swear by, I have never come across a sleeping mask this amazing. This is the one from Dr. Shades. This is the Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. And the another sleeping mask which I have used and loved. Now apart from this, coming to the moisturizer part for both your AM and PM, like daytime or nighttime routine, you can go for these options if you don't want to go for these. So you can go for gel based moisturizers, or you can go for the cream based moisturizers. So it depends upon you. Today which I'm going to recommend you guys are gonna be from the Clinique first. This is my absolute favorite. So the one which I have is just 72 hours moisturizing one, but I think they have come up with the new ones which almost gives for 100 hours. So you can go for that one, but I'm currently completing my this jar. Once it's done, then I'll purchase that one, because you must be knowing that these are very expensive products, so I might as well just utilize them completely first. The next one that I'm gonna recommend is one from the Plum. It's amazing. I've used it and I loved it, and I swear by it. So at times when I'm thinking that I don't want to use this one, I go for this one, and I always reach out to this Plum green tea ones. It's amazing and I absolutely love it. Now if you're going for something like an antioxidant, you should definitely go for something like this. This is the one from the Paula's Choice. Now this is very expensive, so you can go for some other options, but I don't have much of an options for this, so I apologize really. Now I also have another one which also has 72 hours of moisturizing. That is by the Dot & Key. This is Dot & Key 72 hour hydrating gel plus probiotics. This is the one. This is amazing and I have absolutely loved it. Now if at all you don't want to go with any of this process and you just want to use something like cleaning, toning and just moisturizing, or just to moisturize your skin and just make it through it, you don't want to do much other steps, then you can definitely go for aloe vera gel. This one is from the Face Shop. So that was it for all of this. Now the last step which you should get into your skincare, I would suggest, is to go for a lip balm. So the one which I'm going to recommend you for the PM routine would be Dot & Key Lip Sleeping Mask. It has vitamin E and vitamin C, and in case if you can invest a little bit more, then I will recommend you to go for the Pixi one. It actually looks very good. Now both of these have some sort of tint for their lip balm. And the third one which I'm going to tell you about is going to be from the Pure Essence, and I really love it because firstly look at the packaging. It's just so good. Yeah, I mean that was it you guys. I hope you guys loved this video, and I know this was a bit too long video, and I just wanted to make sure that I covered every point, like the steps, and have enough options for you guys about the products that are available in India. Okay. One thing that I absolutely forgot and I should be killed for is the one by Cetaphil. This particular brand is also amazing. It has good moisturizers, face wash, and even a sunscreen. This is not sponsored. I just forgot to mention this in the moisturizing one. So this is a daily hydration moisturizer. This is amazing for the skin. So yeah, I guess that was it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.